In this video, I will show you how you can fix SSL pending error on Shopify. So first of all, if I go to my settings and go to the domains, and if you are getting this SSL pending error, you need to make sure to wait at least 48 hours before making other changes like checking or rechecking whether you have put all of your DNS records correctly. I have separate videos on how to fix like domain error or domain need attention. I have other videos as well. You can also watch them if you're getting those error. But if you're just getting the SSL pending error, you just need to wait for at least 48 hours before going for the other fixes. The most popular fix that you can go with is just removing your domain and then reconnecting it again. Now if you are using GoDaddy, you will have the option of connecting automatically, otherwise you can do it manually as well. So this is a way of how you can fix SSL pending error on Shopify.